Introducing our light green boxwood roll by NatraHedge. Our artificial boxwood rolls are the perfect solution for adding a natural and sustainable touch of greenery to any wall or surface. These rolls can be utilized for embellishing residential or commercial spaces such as restaurants, office buildings, patios, and special events. Crafted with premium virgin raw materials and formed using our proprietary real leaf technology, making them the most realistic foliage on the market. They are UV rated for safe use in outdoor weather and offer maintenance-free year-round greenery. With its snap-to-lock feature, our NatraHedge rolls can effortlessly be combined to cover any size surface. They can also be bent or cut to fit any shape or contour. Each roll measures 3 feet 4 inches tall by 10 feet wide, covering 33 square feet. Increase the aesthetic of your area with our stylish, eco-friendly light green boxwood roll by NatraHedge. For more info, please visit us online at www.fencescreen.com.